Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create this sultry eye look, starting with this Morphe Drip Glass Gloss in the shade So Transparent. I'm just going to be applying this on the lips. My eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to be carving out my brows with this using the Dose of Colors concealer brush, and then I like to kind of blend everything out with a denser brush and then add that eyeshadow base all over the lid. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the new Huda Beauty Icy Nude eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's so pretty. You guys know I love Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palettes. They're always so good. And I'm going to be starting with the shade called Unapologetic in the crease, and then I'm going to slowly buff out the edges using circular motions and also like a windshield wiping motion. And then I'm going to take the next shade called First Class to help me blend it out, and blending that upward with a bigger fluffy brush. Once I complete the front, I'm going to go towards the back and do the same exact thing. After First Class, I'm going to take the color called Cold Plunge and also blend that along the edges of First Class. These lighter tones definitely made Unapologetic super light, so I'm going to go back in with Unapologetic and slowly work that shade up using circular motions and windshield wiping motions. And now that I have a seamless blend, I'm going to go in with a shade called She Rich, and I'm just going to kind of smoke that out on the outer corner of my eye, also into my lash line. Next, I'm going to take more of that Anastasia eyeshadow primer and do a soft cut crease. Now taking the color Gold Standards, I'm going to put this right on top of the Anastasia eyeshadow base. Mind you, I have not set the eyeshadow base whatsoever this whole time. It's always been wet, and then also sprinkle a little bit of the shade called VVS on there as well. At the top of this soft cut crease, I'm going to add the shade Diamond Dew. It's so pretty and it just creates that extra pop in the front of the eye. Now I'm going to take the NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear liquid liner in the shade Black, starting at the middle of my eye and creating a dramatic start and then keeping the inner half very thin. I think this type of liner style definitely complements almond eyes a lot. Since I'm not doing a wing liner, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow called Noir and smoke it into the outer corner of my eye just so that the liner is blended into the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go back in with that shade called She Rich just to make sure that everything's blending together with the black shadow and that it doesn't look harsh. Finishing off the eyes, I'm going to be taking a makeup wipe and just kind of carving out the eyeshadow. Now that I have my base done, I'm going to finish the rest of the eyes at the bottom. I'm going to be using the shade Unapologetic under the eye, just smoking that out right underneath, and then grabbing the color She Rich as well and doing the same thing, smoking it out all throughout the bottom of my eye. Last but not least, I'm going to take that color Cold Plunge and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eye to brighten it up. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil in the shade Very Brown, and I'm going to put this all throughout my waterline. And this is pretty much the finished look. I am obsessed with this look, you guys. It came out so pretty. Huda never disappoints. Stay tuned for the base tutorial. I will be posting that on Friday. If you're curious of what I did for the base, it is coming very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching.